Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome back to my warehouse vlog thingamabobber. Today we're actually going to be using the warehouse for something. It is chair kit packing day, so it is Sunday. We were going to do this yesterday, but today's supposed to become more rainy, and getting as much time outdoors when you live in Minnesota towards the end of the summer is kind of important. So Sunday, rainy day, better day to be cooped up inside. So I have my mother-in-law here help me today. She's going to be helping me box up all the chair kits. So we're starting off this morning by breaking down the pallets into the actual kits, or into the packs of kits for all the different styles. So this pallet has some style 3s and some style 4 stuff on it. So we've kind of spread things out a little bit, and we're going to get them all kind of broken down. So we're doing 7 6-packs of style 3 in walnut, which is this chair here at the moment. So that's the plan here for the first part of the morning, is to get at least these first 7 staged, and we'll go from there. One thing that's kind of unfortunate is some of my packing orders didn't come in yet. They're not coming in until probably Tuesday. So the biggest thing we're going to run out of is going to be the poly film for the spray foam machine. But as long as we can get a good chunk of these things in the boxes, and at least the kits broken down into the, I guess, the packs or the orders ready to go in the boxes, they'll be pretty good. So a lot of the style 3 stuff we need next should be on this here pallet. So we're gonna bring this guy over here and we'll start breaking things down.
Oh, don't laugh at me.
Very aggressive with the knifing. Here, the legs are on this side, so why don't you hack this side open so the rest of the stuff doesn't fall out. There you go.
Right.
That should be good.
Okay, these are good.
These are the legs we want right there.
Oh, there's more ones.
Yep.
Oh,
Go ahead and bundle that.
yes, sir.
And I will load them up.
Oh, you got these going the wrong way, buddy boy.
I'm seeing how well you're paying attention.
Yeah, right.
I'm not paying attention. Yeah, we got all the parts prepped. The last thing is the seats. So we got those coming over here, and while I'm getting the spray foam thing set up, Kathleen's gonna start making the hardware kits with corner blocks. Here's my adjustable height table. So now I'm gonna start getting the seats ready to go. So everything gets put into this bag once it's in the box, and the seats get dropped in on top of the foam. Since this is a 6-pack, we're going to do 3 in the bag to start with, and then the other 3 will be loaded in once this is inside the actual shipping box. And 7 will be bagged up. Feels like progress, you know? Feels like progress. I think that pallet cart thing's gonna work out pretty well. It's like the right height for loading, and it's pretty easy to get those little tiny, well, pretty easy to get those larger boxes out of the way once they're full. I need to get some more pallets though. So now there's my new adjustable height work table, which is too tall. Drop that down a little bit. Got some lunch visitors. Hey, bud.
Hey, where's Mom?
What's it say? We have lunch.
Where's Mom?
Right there. Lunch by the dumpsters.
You okay, sweet baby?
What are you doing, Ellie?
Trying to figure out how she wants to sit, and I don't think she's figured it out yet. All right, let's be careful, my love.
The boys and I are going to go find some pallets because we need some more inside the warehouse.
Dad, you want to help me get up, Dad?
I will help you get up.
I like middle names. I like counting down my favorite numbers.
Okay, we got some pallets we can grab. Yeah, that should help. Haven't been filming much because we've been just trucking along with stuff, so we're towards the end of the day now, and we're essentially coming down on our second iteration. So we packed the bigger boxes for the 6-packs, and then we packed the skinny boxes, those guys, for the 6-packs. And then I went to the 4-packs, packed the skinny boxes for the 4-packs, and now I'm packing the big boxes for the 4-packs. So I have one more 4-pack box left to pack today, and I think it's going to be it for the day. Kathleen's been breaking down parts all day, so everything is prepped and ready to go to get into the boxes. Everything's all organized, all ready to go, so that's going to be pretty nice. So I'll take care of this last one, and then that'll be about it. Extra. You can reuse it. So I think that's gonna do it for today. That's what was that, 7 6-packs and then 6 4-packs, so 66 chairs. I think that's the total so far for today. And to get an idea of how many left to go out from the shipment, just look at the seats. So we probably packed about a third of what's come in out of the shipment, so I've got a lot more work ahead of me, but luckily everything is, you know, broken down. So all that has to happen now is these things just have to go in the boxes. So I think we're getting there. There's still a lot of efficiency gains to be had, but at this point it's less about making things as efficient as possible and just getting it done. So, you know, I think it's going pretty well. So that's going to do it for this little vlog. Next time we'll probably be packing more chair kits or doing something around here, I'm sure. So thank you as always for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments on the chair kits, the warehouse, or anything back in the shop, please feel free to leave me a comment. As always, I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. And until next time, happy working.